Go to Extensions, click on Installer. Click on Upload button. Select the OC mod file. Now go to Extensions, Modules. Find Auto Delete Inactive Customers, and click on the Install button. The module is now installed. Click on Edit button. Make appropriate setting as per your requirement. Click on the Save button to save the setting. Your installation is now complete. Now you need to add the cron command to your server. You can set frequency to run daily once or weekly once as per your requirement. Please note the cron command might differ based on your server environment. You can contact hosting support in case the mentioned cron command doesn't work.